Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So we're just a few minutes, maybe a few seconds from market open. So today we're going to look at both BOSs and change of characters just to sort of tie in everything we've learned from the previous videos. Actually, before we look at today, I want to go back to yesterday and show you what actually happened after, because I was impatient and etc. This is what we were in yesterday. Remember, we opened here. And then when we got here, we were looking for a call for this gap play. And then price did this and this, and I was like, because we lost on this gap play, remember? We closed out after we got below that. And I was like, what is price doing? Trying to figure out and look for another play and didn't find one. But the crazy thing is, if we would have held the initial gap play, the initial call that we took here, as you can see, price shot up as it normally does. Like if price ever gets between that gap of opening, like if price ever gets between that opening day gap, that opening morning gap, it's generally gonna fill it. And then look, it kept going, like it kept going up. So I want to actually see if I can find I want to try to find some structure here. So we're gonna start off yesterday. We changed over to bullish yesterday morning. As you can see, higher high, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Let's go up, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then we had a break right there. I'll be honest, I really don't like how this structure looks. As of right now, I'm trying to see what's actually going on in the market because I can't tell what's going on right now. As of right now, this is a supply zone because we're under it. Now, if we break up and come down, then we can label it as a demand zone. But right now, it's a supply zone. And honestly, we can use this as a lesson today. Not sure what's going on. And when you're not sure, you don't take nothing. Look, you see this right here, that big old candle? We can mark that up as a demand. It might not be valid or not, but we see it there. Let's just draw out our BOSs and change the characters. So right here, that'll be a BOS. And then we just copy and paste that right here again. It's another BOS. Right here again, it's another BOS. Then we'll go up right here again. It's another BOS. That was a little longer. Then up here, BOS. But then when we get right here, you can see we broke the pattern. That recent low just broke. So that is a change of character. We had a change in the character of our pattern. We're on a bearish pattern. So I'm gonna change this color to like my little burnt orange. Lower low. I'll use, gosh, we can't really say where the high is until we break the lows. We can't really say where it is because you could do this and then say this is another change of character that's happening right now, but you can't really say that with 100%. You can't say that with 100% accuracy. And then also later down the road, I'm gonna teach you guys that liquidity actually invalidates a lot of things. Like it invalidates market structure. It invalidates supply and demand zones. Like liquidity is just a whole different monster. So we need to be on the lookout for this to be switching over to a demand zone. You know, most traders, 50% of the time, if they just sat on their hands and they were honest about not knowing what to do, not trying to force a play, they probably win more and prevent losses. I'm not really for certain on what's going on. In the larger scheme of things, you can see we're bullish. See, this is our low. This is our high. This is a low. This is a higher high. This would be a lower low. And then we might be making a higher high right now. And if we are, then the market's about to go Let me delete this stuff from, well, I'll keep it. Just move it over. If this is right, we're about to pump. If we break this, what's that, 439, Specs is about to pump a little bit. We might get up here back to the 440s. If you can see, this wick is even to the wick on this side. They're even. So now we might can hop into a call right here if we can figure out what's going on. I'm wondering if we'll actually come down and bounce off that and go up. I'm gonna look for a play right there. If we get a reaction, I'll hop in a play right there. Let me make sure that zone is accurate. Dang, it could get right there though. So we're just gonna look for a play real quick. We're gonna be looking for a call. I'll probably go with a 4390 call, and I'm gonna just click on it right now to see. What we're looking for right now is we want to get some type of reaction right here. What is price is currently at that? Okay, well, that could be a zone right there, because that's that block. So that could be valid for some demand. We want to wait until these candles close just to see. I see the reaction. If this candle closes and then the next candle is still going up and is bullish, then we'll hop in this 43, what call is it, a 4390? Yeah, 4390 call. Apple going up, Amazon going up, Google is Meta going up, Microsoft going up, Nvidia going up. Let's hop in this call. So we're gonna do we're finna buy right now about for 6.9. Alexa, 6.9 times 1.1.
6.9 times 1.1 is 7.59.
7.59. So we'll go ahead and round that up to 7.6. So we need 7.6 on the sale to get out of this positive for 10%. As you can see, we're finally forming like some kind of structure. Let me just draw it out. We're bullish. Really, we should have caught it right here, but we couldn't gauge it perfectly. We wanted to wait for confirmation, and that candle right there was our confirmation. So we're looking good on this call. We had a 4390 price. The sale price is currently at 6.4. Now we entered the put right here. I'm sorry, we entered the call right here. The reason we didn't sell when it got shaky is because we didn't fall below this. If we fell below that, then we would know to get out, but we're good. Right now, the sale price is at 7.4, so we won 7.5. I'll even show you where's the sale, the close order. Very long video, lots of waiting. I probably edited all the waiting out, so you didn't even see it. But I don't remember the, again, we've been waiting so long, I don't remember the price of the call we did. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, check out some of the other playlists we have. A lot of different things and different types of videos are gonna be coming to the channel, so check it all out. Try something new, you might like it, you might enjoy it. And just, I want to make sure price goes to like 8, because I don't remember what we entered to play in. So right now price is back at 7.3, 7.4. I'm just gonna be sure to show you what price is at, because I have no idea. I don't remember. It should be at 8 by now. Yeah, it's at 8. It's at literally 8 right now. So cool. See you guys next video.